Hi everyone, Rob here with Querri, and if you're tired of tediously formatting Excel sheets for your meetings, well, you're going to love one of our newest and most requested features. This tool lets you generate a fully formatted professional Excel report with natural language right in our app. There's no coding and no technical knowledge required, so let's give it a go. With this tool, nothing about your normal workflow changes. I've got a project here with a data set that'll allow me to show off some of these formatting options. Now I'm going to prompt Querri to export this as an Excel report with a few formatting requirements. The big things that I'll be asking it to do are implement multiple sheets, conditional formatting, row highlighting, percentage conversions, overall just some useful ways to highlight important data. And what's pretty neat is that Querri shows us exactly how it's performing the export. It's showing us that it is really breaking down our request and gathering every detail, even giving us confirmation that it has all of our 14 requests accounted for. Okay, so Querri's finished, and it really is as simple as that. You can make your request as specific as you want, or just ask it for professional formatting, and it'll give you simple formatting that looks great for a quick report. I'm giving a download link right here in the chat, and then let's pull this up and take a look. Alright, looks like everything is here. There's a sheet for each department. The department row is colored. Conditional formatting is here for both rows. Dates are readable, and the smaller stuff like alternate row shading is here as well. And there you have it. I hope this helps you get started with our formatted Excel report feature, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Querri tips.